On this day, I did Evolve Yoga. You can like just type cult fit and get to know more about these classes. Hi guys, so I just came back from puja and I also had a shower obviously, and now we'll just get ready and start our day. Alright, so on some days I don't really like to use like a conditioner every day, so I just go in with a serum and like this hair curling mousse. And you can see the results for yourself later in the day once my hair dries, but I did definitely see some sort of results with this product. And for my makeup, I just go in with some foundation, some eyeshadow, mascara and a lip tint that I use on my cheeks as well. Okay, lately I'm also obsessed with like moisturizing my body, because tell me why it smells and feels so good every time. And for my outfit, I just went ahead with like this very cute top that I got from Nika Fashion and this skirt that was sent by a brand. I will link all the outfits in the description below. And as for the cafe, I really wanted to try this new cafe in Kala Ghoda, or Fort you may call that. It is in Churchgate station wise and it is called Craven. Hi guys, so I came back home I think a few hours ago, and I have literally just taken like a power nap, or I have also eaten lunch, and I was so hungry because I think that food was not that filling. So I had like roti, sabji, dahi and rice, and yeah, now I have to do a very important task. My important task is to get my YouTube video up and ready. So last night I did like just make the thumbnail, and I think now I have to just add like the background music and a few more finishing touches. 5:15. I feel like I have wasted the whole day, but I was feeling a bit feverish and I just like took a quick nap, and that turned into like a 1 hour nap, and then I was struggling with storage because I had to take like a YouTube video live, and I figured that out, and then by that time my head started to hurt, like really hurt. So now I just feel very low on energy and my head is blasting, and I realize that is because maybe I've not had like my morning coffee. So I think today I would like to like excuse myself and like maybe just go to 2 cafes in a day and spend that much, although usually I would not, and I would not even recommend eating out that often. But I feel like right now I just don't even feel like making it at home and just going out, and maybe I can read there or try to figure out how to get this video live, because it has taken a lot of time and I have to take it live today anyhow. Guys, we're here. They also have Starbucks here, but I'm clearly not gonna go there. Corner is so cute. Guys, they were not really allowing me to sit and work, and that's exactly what I was here for. So I will take you to another coffee shop. Okay guys, so I just told the barista that I have a headache, and is there like a good coffee that you would like suggest in terms of like, there are coffees that are like less acidic and stuff, and he was like, you know what, just like sit, I'll prepare you like a coffee, and this is something with like cinnamon and nutmeg. And I just said yes because I was like, you know what, let's just see what will it taste like. Guys, I was not letting myself get distracted, but let me tell you, this coffee is really good, and I feel like adding cinnamon to coffee really makes it taste 10 times better. And if I were to make it at home, I would definitely add cinnamon because this is really good. Although I feel like this might not be everyone's taste, but I would give it a 9 out of 10 because this is better than like a cappuccino. Hi guys, so it has been a few hours since we last spoke, and that literally means yesterday. But yesterday taking the video live took a lot of my time and energy, and I was very tired. So I woke up late today, and is why I couldn't really work out. But I would like just try to go for like a walk tonight or like in the evening to like get my steps in, because I was extremely sleepy today morning and I just couldn't wake up. But right now I thought of not scrolling and doing something productive, and I thought of making some banana bread right now. I've been craving that since months, and finally I have some ripe bananas, so we can make banana bread. Also, after having yesterday's coffee, I really want to add like a lot of cinnamon in my banana bread. Okay, so here's my ingredients setup. I have some ripe bananas. I don't think these are very ripe, but I will just work with them. I have some butter, although I wanted to use ghee, but I'll see what can I use. This is cinnamon, and this is baking powder. I cannot find baking soda, and I can't wake mom up because she's sleeping. They also added some sea salt. They added some milk, sugar. This is dahi, and this is whole wheat flour, and I'll make it in this bowl. I can't tell you all how much I love baking and how much I have baked as like when I was a kid, that this at this point literally feels like therapeutic and something like a hobby. Hi guys, so it has been quite some time and I was just baking in the kitchen all this while, and now I was just resting, and then mom like also came and gave me some fruits because she woke up from her nap. This also had peaches and I finished all of them. But we also have a few packages that have arrived from Minra, so I thought it would be like a fun thing to like open it with you all right now. First package. Okay, these are some workout pants that I had ordered from Minra, and this brand is called Bliss Club. I am in love with the colors already. I wanted something that's like colorful because you all know my vibe, and this is like this very nice stretchable top, and it looks like this. Ordered this in the size M, and I also ordered for like these pants because I like the color obviously, and they are flare, so that's great. Guys, I am working out every day. These are so pretty. It has like a bell bottom too. Ordered from H&M. So this is the top. It looks like this, a top, because I can wear this on any colored bottom, and it also has like cute bows. It's very cute. Okay, then I also got this one package that came in yesterday, but I was in a hunt for like those very comfy but cute sweatpants, like a very cute one. So I got this very cute pink sweatpants, and it is from Levi's, and guys, I think I just paid like 1500 for it, and when I tell you the quality is better than those H&M sweatpants, this is really good. And the best part is that it's a bit baggy. I want like those skinny sweatpants. I want like a more baggy and like a comfier feel. You guys, I'm definitely keeping these pink pants. Like I don't even want to wait for sale because these fit so good. Although I'll have to alter the ends. But can you all see the pink shade is so perfect? Okay, these pants might not look very flattering, but yes, I would say that they're very comfortable. And I'm definitely keeping these, but I'm gonna go for a size S. I'm in two minds about this top, but can you all tell me? Again, the color looks very dull, but this is more on like the lilac side, and I do like it because it's not that tight. Okay guys, so our banana bread is ready and I was waiting for it to like cool down because I can't slice it while it's hot. But literally, let's dig in right now. Okay guys, so look at this and let's have a bite. I love the fact that I added so much of cinnamon to it. Hi guys, so you all saw that I had lunch and now I am headed to IKEA. So for those who didn't know, my room was like repainted and I got rid of a few desks that I had since I was a kid in this room, because like my room is pretty small and those desks were like taking a lot of place, and plus lighting also doesn't reach to that depth in my room, right? So to cut it short, I just want to go to IKEA to see what kind of furniture do they have, and then I'll also go to the one in Navi Mumbai, as right now I'm going to the IKEA that is in Worli. So let's go. I am so excited. Okay guys, I really want to show all my fit, but before we leave I want to apply my favorite perfume. This is not sponsored. I love using this perfume so much, and so many of y'all got it on my recommendation, and that's crazy. The top is from Sarojini and my bottoms are from Hill Road, and I'm wearing this very cute hairband that I got from Amazon, and can you all see it has like these little clips, and honestly it's very cute, but I'm scared that it might break because it's entirely like made up of plastic. And my earrings are from this brand called Lav Gender on Instagram, and I feel very cute. Okay, so I like this drawer next to my bedside table, but again I'm wondering if I'll be able to film if I'll be standing on my window, because the storage is also really good. This drawer is so cute. So I was looking for some more desks and I found this stool because my mom really struggles with like climbing on like heights. So I think this will be great for her for our house. Then I also saw some more chest of drawers that I can keep next to my bed, and this was very overwhelming. Guys, even this is so nice. It's for 179 and it's like this very cute towel. I like the pink and orange color combo. Guys, IKEA also has these very cute lilac, I think these are bathroom like toothbrush holders, and I'm honestly obsessed with this shade and so cute. Sorry, I'll just let you know the price. This one's for 500, this one's for 300, and this one's for 169. Guys, if you have like a small kitchen or something like that, I really like this because it's sleek and you can store like your fruits and veggies. Maybe you can share this with your mom, but I like this. Guys, I was gonna buy that pillow cover, but mom said that it comes with this set, and this is from the kids section, but I would honestly just buy the pillow covers because they're so cute. Guys, again this looks very fake, but I would definitely like decorate one of my shelves if I would like get these colorful planters, because I want some color also in my room, like something like this too. Mama, this is cute now if I get that white color ka shelf where I film and then put these 3 flowers. They also have like these very cute tulips. Okay guys, this might sound very random, but I just came back home from IKEA and it was raining very heavily, so we did not really go anywhere to eat outside. And since I had like a very early dinners, kind of like a snack, I was really hungry, so I ordered something from Sechi's. And for those who live in Mumbai, you all literally have to try Sechi's because their food is so good. I got myself a paneer roll. They make some really good paneer tikka rolls, and especially I'm Jain, so that's like a very good healthy option. But we also have some unhealthy stuff. I love their Jain burger. It's my favorite. And lastly, they also make the best cheese corn balls, and I don't know why am I excited just talking about food right now, but I just thought of sharing it with you all. This is what I'm talking about.